Before you can promote new events on Connect Your Sales Team, you must first create an event on the Adobe Connect server. To begin, log into your account and then choose Event Management at the top of the screen. On the Event Management screen, you can create new events or create new folders where events can be stored. I just need to create an event, so I'm going to navigate to the New Event button located here. The first step in creating an event requires you to fill in some basic information about your event, such as the name, a custom URL, which you can leave blank and the system will enter a randomized code, a short event description, which is sort of like a newspaper headline, and then some detailed information. The detailed area is where you would put specific instructions, such as the host name, the presenting company, or who should attend. To access the rest of the event detail, I just need to scroll down the page. Just complete the page by setting start and end times for the event. Add an event logo, and then choose the type of content you will be using. Remember, Adobe Connect Events allows you to set up registration for any type of content on your Connect server. It can be a PDF file in your content library, a course or curriculum, and of course, a live meeting. After completing all of the details on the first page, click on the Next button. The next step is dependent on the type of content you are using for your event. In my case, I chose to do a live event, so it drops me off in the My Meetings folder, where I can select a meeting room to use. Click Next to proceed. The next step allows you to customize the registration fields you want to collect during user registration. Simply click the radio box next to each field you want to include. After you are done, click on the Next button. You can now add any custom questions you would like. There are multiple choice, short answer, or yes/no question types. For example, you might want to ask multiple choice question polling your registrants how they heard about your event. You can also reorder your input fields here by selecting the radio boxes to the left of each item and then using the Shift Up and Shift Down buttons here at the top. Once you are satisfied with your form, click Next. Adobe Connect provides users with a basic invitation tool where you can invite existing Adobe Connect users or even upload a targeted list from another source. This feature is actually not used very often, as most companies tend to use a more sophisticated email marketing program for managing events. To continue, we're going to scroll down and click Next. The final step is to customize the various emails that you will want to send based on different event thresholds. Just select or deselect these radio boxes to choose the templates you want to use for a particular event. Use the Customize links to the right of each email type to customize the contents of that message. Once you've made your adjustments, click on the Finish button. Your event needs to be published before it is enrollable. That concludes setting up a new event in Adobe Connect. Please proceed to our other tutorials to learn how to deploy and manage this new event in Connect Your Sales Team.